Becky. Welcome back to my channel and to my 2021 Christmas gift guide series. Yesterday I shared with you what we are giving our 17-year-old daughter for her Christmas tree present. So if you want to see the gifts that are going to be going under the tree for her, make sure you check out yesterday's video. Today I'm sharing with you her stocking stuffers. This year, each girl is getting 8 Christmas tree presents and 8 stocking stuffers. It's less than usual, I believe, especially in the stocking stuffer category, but I really just couldn't find anything else I wanted to put in there, and I wasn't gonna go just buy stuff just to be buying it. So I feel like it's definitely quality of like what they're gonna like versus just stuffing it with anything. So 8 things in their stocking. Now, one thing I'll tell you that we do that's kind of naughty, but usually the girls like to open a stocking stuffer each night or a couple times a week leading up to Christmas. That's something we've found that we've been doing the last few years because I don't know why we just did. The girls would say, can I open a stocking stuffer? And then how about one tomorrow? So I don't know if we'll open one, you know, the 8 days leading up to Christmas or, you know, a couple in a week before. I don't know how we'll do it, but that's usually what we've been doing. And I really don't mind because I'm excited for them to open things too. And so it kind of gives me a little bit of satisfaction of letting them open something without letting them open a present from under the tree. So I don't know if we'll do that this year, but I have a feeling we probably will. So starting out with a body care item, I try to get the girls, you know, as natural things as possible. And there's more natural stuff than this, I'll be honest. But this is a brand that we really like, Andalou Naturals. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than conventional stuff. And my oldest daughter, one of her favorite fragrances is roses. But she mentioned a while back that she specifically wanted some shower gel. And so I got her the rose scented shower gel. And I got her a little poof to go with it because we don't even have any poofs because we didn't have any liquid shower gel. So a poof and the shower gel, that's one thing. I also got her a BTS Magazine. I mentioned in yesterday's video, she's really into Korean culture and she really enjoys the Korean boy band BTS. She's got a couple of these different special edition magazines that have come out already that we've given her in the past. And this one is from, I don't know what it's from. It says display until November. I'm pretty sure I picked this up back in August or September. I found it at the grocery store, but I thought she would like that. She likes flipping through it and reading about them. There's articles and pictures and stuff, so I got that. I also mentioned in yesterday's video that both of my girls, but my oldest especially, is obsessed with bees. I don't really know why. It's kind of a sudden thing that just happened out of nowhere. But there's 2 gifts actually that are in the bee theme. The first thing is this random bee honey pot. Don't ask me why. I mean, she's not going to use it for honey, but I just thought it was the cutest little thing. I don't know if you can see, but it's got little bees on it, and it's got a little heart-shaped stick here that if you were going to use it for honey, you could use that to drizzle honey on something. It's so cute and tiny though that I just thought it was really cute. She could set it out in her room. She could almost plant a little tiny succulent in it. She could use it as a ring box. So even though I don't necessarily think she's going to use it for honey, at least not until she, you know, maybe moves out and gets her own house, I just thought it was too cute to pass up. And so as random as that is, I found that on Amazon and I thought it was really cute. Also from Amazon, and this is a little sneak peek in my youngest daughter's stocking stuffer video you'll see on Thursday, I found this adorable ring on Amazon, and my oldest is especially into jewelry. She likes to wear a lot of rings. She likes to wear a lot of layering pieces, mismatched earrings, and very, very trendy. So I'm trying to open this so I can show you. This is the cutest, most dainty ring that I think pretty much any age would like. And because she does love bees so much, I just thought it was so cute. Not like overly like in your face that it's a giant bee. You know, it's not colored with enamel or anything. It's just a pretty little sterling silver bee. It's super tiny and delicate, and I think she's gonna love that. So I had to be sneaky though. I didn't know what ring size that she wore. So I bought a ring sizer kit from Amazon. I had both girls trace their hand and then label each finger what size they were, and that way I could kind of pick out what ring size she would need. And according to this size, she'll be able to wear this on a couple different fingers, so she can choose if she wants to wear it on the same finger every day or mix it or match it however she wants to do it. But it was super affordable and really, really cute. Sticking with the bee theme still, I don't have this to show you, but I'll insert a picture. I purchased for her earrings with a bee adoption kit. So basically there's this company that evidently when you buy their jewelry, you kind of adopt a bee, and they use some of the funds to help to preserve bees, because as we all know, they're not really doing that well. They're kind of dying out for various reasons. And so I just thought it was a really fun idea that you can actually kind of adopt a bee, and then you have the cute little jewelry to wear with it, to go with it. I don't know if she'll ever wear the earrings, but just the bee adoption alone, I thought she would really think was fun. And I'll insert a picture of the earrings right here, but they haven't come yet. I'm not really sure when they're gonna be here. I think maybe next week, but I had to hurry up and get these videos filmed. So super fun idea, and I think any girl would really appreciate the jewelry, but then also the fact that you kind of get to adopt a bee to go with it. Okay, totally switching gears, a couple beauty items. She did not have a fold-up hairbrush, and I don't know how that happened, because I mean, that's like a big girl basic, but this is like so 90s. I had one of these when I was in school. You know, the kind that like fold out like this and has a little mirror on it. I don't know if she'll want to keep it in her purse or her skate bag, because they go skating quite often, but I got that for her. I also got her some matcha blotting sheets, again with the kind of skating theme, and she also works out a lot. I thought she would appreciate having some blotting paper, so if she gets a little sweaty, she can use those. And the last thing is kind of, again, a random thing. We were on vacation and we went to this little store that had these little tiny crystal mushrooms, and not only is she obsessed with bees, she's also obsessed with mushrooms and plants. I don't know, it's the most odd, eclectic conglomeration of things. But we were at the gift shop and we saw this little crystal mushroom. If you can see, I mean, it is tiny, tiny, tiny. I think a lot of people use them in little plant pots and stuff, but she does have a lot of potted plants in her room, so I don't know how she really wanted to use it. But this one little mushroom was $10 at that gift shop. But on Amazon, I found a set of 7 for like $12 or $13. So I figured it was a lot better value to get more than one and a couple different colors to spread around her room however she wants. It was way better to do that than it was to spend $10 for one. So I found those, and those are going to be tucked down in her stocking. And they came in this cute little bag that's drawstrings, so I don't even have to wrap that one, because we do wrap stocking stuffers. And those are all of her stocking stuffers. Like I said, if you missed yesterday's video of what we're giving her for her Christmas tree presents, I will link it for you in the description box. I will also link my Christmas gift guide, birthday/Easter playlist. All of my gift idea videos are in that playlist. So whether it's for Easter or the birthdays or previous Christmases, I know you'll get tons of gift ideas from those videos. So make sure you check out that playlist if you're interested. Don't forget to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'll be sharing what we are giving our 11-year-old daughter for her Christmas tree presents, and then Thursday will be what we're giving our 11-year-old for her stocking stuffer. So stay tuned for those 2 videos. If you like today's, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.